Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob Moffett. Guys, today we're just doing a little do-it-yourself project. You know, right now we got a hurricane that's approaching. There's a tropical depression and winds are coming kind of strong outside. I thought it would be fun to hook up my lavaliere microphone that I'm using right now and put it in this glass case. I used to use this glass case. I put the camera, I had a Kodak camera and it would film through the hole, and I could put this in my pocket and film and sort of like a spy camera. But this is something I thought if I put this in the case and put a sock over it, I'd have a like a wind sock over the microphone. Put this in my pocket, and the wind's blowing kind of strong out there. We'll see what kind of reduction in noise we get. And I'm going to be using for the first time my little 3-axle gimbal I got on Amazon just the other day. So we're going to be using it with the old Galaxy Android Galaxy S5. Pretty old camera. Doesn't even have a zoom function. So we'll see how this works. Let's hook this up to our gimbal, our human gimbal, Hohem gimbal. I forget how to say that. And we'll go outside and check out how the sound is with the wind sock and without the wind sock. Okay, let's see how the wind goes. Oh, got a nice breeze here. Can you hear anything? Can you hear the wind? Alright, this is about as windy as I would want to be outside. Alright, let's take the wind sock off. Alright, so this is without the wind sock. Probably can hear my voice better. Okay, put the wind sock back on. Goes down the stairs pretty good. I'm changing hands. Let's see if we can pan while I'm walking. Yep, that's nice. Well, if I'm lucky, you shouldn't be able to hear any wind noise. Hopefully you can hear my voice. It was strongest up there in the balcony, or in the hallways up in the apartment. very overcast this morning, so the sun isn't going to give any good video this morning. I'm using a splitter because there's a malfunction with the camera. I pick up a noise, so I had to use a splitter with my lapel microphone. I purchased a brand new Movo cardioid microphone for $40, but it doesn't work with the splitter. I can plug it in directly, but then I hear that hissing noise. The only way I get rid of it is use the splitter. You're fine. You're fine. If I hold it closer to my body, it ought to be moving less. Pan to the left. Oop. Pan some more.